Hello dear students and welcome back. In our previous class, we have learned about a pictograph. So in today's class, let us learn in detail about a bar graph. What is a bar graph? A bar graph is a graphical representation of data using bars of different heights. Do you know how useful is a bar graph? Bar graphs are used to compare different categories. We can observe in the example that the bars of uniform width are erected horizontally with equal spacing between them. Now, let us learn to interpret the bar graph in the following question. Student, nowadays there is lot of increase in the road accidents, which has led to increase and decrease in the purchase of helmets. Let us observe the bar graph which shows the number of helmets purchased by people during the year 2016 to 2020. I know you all are eager to answer the questions based on the bar graph. Let us start answering by reading each question. The first one. What is the information given by this bar graph? Yes, this bar graph shows the number of helmets purchased by people during the year 2016 to 2020. Let us answer our next question. In which year was the sale of helmets maximum? By checking the height of each bar, we can conclude that it is in the year 2019. Lastly, students, how many helmets were purchased in the year 2018? In order to answer this question, we need to go along the vertical axis of the bar graph and read the number on the y-axis at the left side with respect to the year 2018. Yes, in the year 2018, number of helmet purchased are 500. Students, since you know how to interpret a bar graph, now let us learn to draw a bar graph with a graph paper when the data is given. Students, the price of onions in the market has created a panic in our vicinity. So Rahul has prepared a table representing the cost per kilogram of onions in the following months. Represent this data in the form of a bar graph. Students, in order to draw a bar graph, we need to use a graph paper. This is a graph paper. To represent data in the form of bar graph, we need to follow few easy steps. Step 1. Draw the horizontal line which is called x-axis and a vertical line which is called y-axis respectively, perpendicular to each other in this manner. Place the points in such a way that they are equidistant from each other along the both axes on the graph paper. Step 2. Select the scale appropriately for horizontal axis, that is 1 unit is equal to 1 month, and vertical axis is 1 unit is equal to 10 rupees with respect to the question. Step 3. Mark the months along the horizontal axis, that is June, July, August, September and October, and the cost per kilo along the vertical axis, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, so on till 100. Step 4. Draw the bars of same width keeping uniform gap between them according to the data given in the table. Let's go for the next question. In which month was the price of onions rupees 80 per kg? Excellent. The price of onions in the month of September was rupees 80 per kg. Let us solve another example. This is the information regarding liking of different pets among 28 students, and now let us represent it in the form of a bar graph. We need to follow the same steps how we have done in a previous example. Step 1. Draw the horizontal axis x-axis and the y-axis. Next, choose equal distance on x-axis as well as on the y-axis. The scale you can take as 1 unit on y-axis is equal to 1 student. 1 unit on x-axis is equal to 1 type of pet. On your x-axis, you will write your favorite pets. For example, your rabbit, dog, cat and goldfish. On the y-axis, as you have chosen the scale as 1 student, so you continue writing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, as in the given data, the favorite pet, the first one is rabbit. The rabbit total number of pets are 4. So you will draw the bar graph with respect to the number 4. Next we have dog. Number of pet there is 8. So we draw the bar graph with the number 8. Next favorite pet is dog, which has total number of pets 10. Next we have the favorite pet cat. The number of pets there are 10. Similarly, you draw the bar having total number of pet as 10. The last favorite pet there is goldfish. So number of pets there is 6. So you draw the bar with the number 6. In this way, you can draw your bar graph on a graph paper. Students, in today's class, we have learned how to interpret a bar graph, and also we have learned to draw a bar graph using a graph paper when the data is given. Student, here is one activity for you. Collect information regarding liking of different pets among your 28 classmates and represent it in the form of bar graph. For example, some of the pets that you can include are rabbit, dog, cat, goldfish. Follow the same steps in the previous example how I have explained and prepare your bar graph. God bless you all. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you.